Hello, welcome to PROPLATE. Today I'll be showing you how to create a new process and then how to add that process to a division. So to create a new process, scroll down to the Utilities tab, open up the Utilities tab and then scroll down to the Process Type tab. After you click on the Process Type tab, open up the Create Process Type screen. Here's where you can create the new process. When you create a new process, you need to add a processing to it and answer the following questions. Does the process require verification? If it does, a field will appear with a drop-down that allows you to select the different types of verification method: analysis, inspection, or test. We'll choose analysis for this example. How jobs will be processed through this new process you are creating. Load or unload, stop or stop, start or stop. We'll choose load or unload. If the process requires a specification, you can click yes and manage what spec parameters will go on this process. So we'll choose bake hours and you can make it required or not. You can create your own, name the new parameter and make it required or not. And it's also ranges. For example, thickness min or max, which you can do make the min required, max required, or both min and max required. This example will put both required, which will check the I's required section. You can also create your own range, and we'll add plate type to finish off the parameters. Once you click save, it will save those parameters to the process. Next question that you will need to answer is this process or the service billable? If it is, click yes. If it isn't, no. And you can create a new process line for that process. If you click yes, you will have to enter the division. We'll choose no at the moment. And I'll show you how to manually add this process to a division. So once you click save, it will create that new process. And what I need to find it in the table underneath, you will have to go to the very last process type out of however many you have, and there will be that new process. If you want to add it to a division, you will have to click your little profile picture. When the drop-down appears, click Company General Settings and then go to the Process Settings tab. Here, it will be the different divisions in your system. And in order to add that process to the division, click the Add Process hyperlink, which will bring up the Add Processes pop-up, and then scroll down to the Custom Processes section of the pop-up and then find your process that you've created. Now with these lines right here, you can actually show the parameters that you have created for that process. Click Add, and it will add it to revision. If you have any additional questions or need any additional help, you can contact us at support@proplate@pro.